ball for Santa Barbara. Javier. Liberos there. Zapatero. Ayaw niya yon. This is a chance for Manawag. Oh, buhay pa rin ang bola. Javier. And now, that off-speed attack earns a score. Zapatero. There was a touch there. Chance for Santa Barbara. Buhay pa rin. And of course, Casaol. Single-handedly managing that. Iniisa-isa ng Manawag na bawiin itong advantage ng Santa Barbara. Too close. Chance ball for Manawag. Javier. Liberos there. Zapatero. Liberos there. Javier. Wow. Great dig. But Tibayan, I think it's the second time today that she used the hand of Casaol, swiping that volleyball para mahulog sa court sa side ng Manawag. And she's serving. Casaol. Bang. 6-8. Zaratan is back. Good serve. Oh, that could have been a chance ball for Manawag, but Ramos just knows what to do. Zapatero will serve this ball. Good serve. David setting up Ramos. Wow. Javier. Masyadong mababa yung contact niya sa bolang iyon. Reyes chewing up her team from the bench. Zapatero. Really a fatal player. And that's inside. It's really fatal. Napakahusay naman lalaro mula sa Santa Barbara. On deck to serve.